This man found a bird with its feet frozen to a metal fence. The man blew hot air on the feet of the bird until it was free.
Here we go, little birdie. Go ahead and fly away.
Just toss it, she says.
This bird stole some food away from the sea lion.
Ask her to get us. Ask her to pick us up. Abby. What are you gonna eat that? Oh my god. No, it's because we microwaved.
Peas are this lizard's favorite food, but it can't decide which one to eat first. This photographer stabilized his camera in a way that showed the Earth rotating. This person probably has the most beautiful and perfect handwriting in the world. All of her notes from school look like a textbook. The smoke from this incense burner flows like a river. That's in this video. Hopefully I was able to make your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.